Hello everyone. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. I'm sure all of you have heard this term, and many of you must have undergone this test as well. As it does not involve the harmful ionizing radiations, unlike X-ray and CT scan, it is generally considered as a safe investigative procedure. But there are occasions when patients have gotten into trouble during the procedure of MRI scan, partly because of negligence and partly because of unawareness. So today, let's try to find out the risks that may be involved during the MRI procedure and the safety measures which need to be taken so that these risks can be avoided. Before getting into the risks and the safety measures, let me just briefly tell you how an MRI machine works. You might have already heard that 60% of your body is made up of water, right? So water has hydrogen molecule, H2O. Now what happens is, generally the hydrogen atom are very randomly arranged in our body. But when a strong magnetic field is provided, all the hydrogen atoms start resonating at the same frequency. Now this varies from tissue to tissue. And when the magnetic field is stopped, different tissues take different amount of time to get back, that is to relax back to their normal position, emitting some amount of energy. This is detected by the computer system and it is reconstructed into images of different body organs. Now this strong magnetic field is created by a large magnet in the machine which provides a unified magnetic field around the body. In India, the MRI machines range from 0.2 Tesla, which is the weakest, producing very poor quality images, to 3 Tesla, which gives the best quality, highest resolution images. Most of the centers in India have a 1.5 Tesla MRI machine, which is good enough to diagnose most of the clinical conditions. Now, as you can imagine, when the MRI is on, that is when the strong magnetic field is present, it will attract any magnetic substance towards the machine with great force. This could be something which is present inside the room within the zone of the magnetic field, or it could even be substances which are present inside the body of the patient who is undergoing MRI scan. Now, this is why if you have ever undergone an MRI scan, they ask you to change dress, leave behind your phone, watch, wallet which may have credit or debit cards with chips in them outside the room. This strong magnetic field can affect a patient if he has some magnetic or the metallic thing implanted in his body, like the implants used for fixing fractures like screws, rods, plates, etc. Most of the implants which are used these days are made up of titanium, which are MRI compatible, but if they are made up of steel, then it could be problematic. Apart from implants, few other things like cardiac pacemakers, stents, heart valves, cochlear implants, these are few of the things which may get affected. They may get heated up, they may get displaced, or sometimes they may even get pulled out of the body towards the machine, causing great amount of damage to the body organs. There have been a few very unfortunate incidences regarding MRI machine which you may have already heard, like for example, in a hospital in Mumbai, an oxygen cylinder was by mistake taken inside the MRI room because of some miscommunication. It was conveyed that the machine was off, but it was not. So as a result, as soon as it was taken inside the magnetic zone, it was immediately yanked towards the machine. As a result of this collision of the cylinder with the MRI machine, it broke open, releasing the liquid oxygen and leading to death of the patient. In another incident, an oxygen cylinder was unknowingly kept inside the MRI room, and when the MRI machine was switched on, obviously it got yanked towards the machine, and on the way it hit the head of the child who was undergoing examination, leading to death of the child. There was another incident where an old man by mistake took his walker inside the MRI room, and as expected, the walker got pulled. As a result, the old man lost balance, fell down, hit his head, eventually leading to death of the person. There have been few other incidences as well of the oxygen cylinders being taken inside the room by mistake and people getting stuck in the machine amidst the machine as well as the oxygen cylinder. And there have also been incidences of even the guns of the inspectors getting pulled and getting stuck at the MRI machine. The other problems that patients face include the loud noise that the machine makes during the scan. Sometimes, as the patient is secluded all alone in the room inside that huge machine, they may have an anxiety attack, feel claustrophobic, etc. Usually, headphones or earbuds are provided to mask the sound to some extent. A bell will be provided so that patient can communicate with the radiographer in case of any trouble. And sometimes mild sedative may be required so that the patient can be calmed down. So it is very important that you reveal your detailed medical history, tell about any operative procedure that you may have undergone, maybe to insert a pacemaker or stent or whatever it is. Be very sure that you remove all your jewelry, don't carry any metallic or any restricted items inside the room. Even though these things are ensured by the radiographer as well as the staff in the MRI room, you be sure yourself so that the hazards of the past are not repeated. Inform about any history of allergy, as some patients may have some allergic reactions to the contrast dye which is injected during the MRI scan. Unlike CT scan, MRI is very safe during pregnancy, but it is still advised that it should be avoided as much as possible and should be done only when it is absolute necessity and for those conditions which cannot be diagnosed by using a safer alternative, that is ultrasonography, and when the condition is such that it is not possible to wait till the completion of the pregnancy. So these were few points which you should be aware of an MRI scan. I hope you liked the video. If so, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and for more health and wellness related videos, subscribe to this channel.